Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a job at Saks Fifth Avenue. So first, open your web browser and go to careers@sfa.com. Once you're here, click Apply Now. It will automatically scroll to the Search and Apply menu. Now here, you can fill in all of these details in order to see all of the job positions near you. But if you don't want that, you can just scroll down further and now you can see all of the job positions available under the company. You can navigate through the pages, and then after you have gotten your interest on one position, you can just hit apply. Now it will take you to another web page. And then after this, you can read all of the details under this job position. After that, scroll down until you find apply. Now click on it. And then here, it will take you to another website which is connected to SFA. Make sure to sign in on the upper right corner of the screen. And then click apply. Now it will ask you to autofill with resume or apply manually or use your last application. Now select your desired option, and then after that you will just continue and follow the prompt. And that's it.